One of the most fun features in clips is being able to apply filters to your videos to completely change the look of them. Tap on the clip you want to change and press the colourful effects star in the middle. At the bottom of your screen you'll now see a variety of filters. Tap on one to preview it at the top, and if you press the X button on the right hand side, you can then watch your clip with this filter applied and watch it come to life. I would recommend experimenting with different filters on different clips because some do look better on some footage compared to others. When you've chosen a variety of filters, you can then press play and you can watch your whole film again, but this time it will feel very different and really good fun. You can be very creative with these filters. In fact, you can theme an entire video around a filter of your choice. Give it a try.